Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BKS Sports with Bonginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Baqinisile uma bethi oseyishayile akakayuzi, oseyosile akakayidli, oseyidlile udla icala. Kaizer Chiefs just today only they've missed out on 3 of the target that they've wanted. But they are unfazed. They are just relaxed, watching everything happening in front of their eyes. But the good thing is that whatever that they are planning, I foresee it coming all right. But for now, the important thing is, let's discuss Guti. Did Kaizer Chiefs miss it on this time, or it's just the right decision to do? Because many people will be there saying, no, Kaizer Chiefs doesn't know what they are doing. They are over-reliant on signing free agents. They don't want to spend money on signing quality players. But you have the players. And Kaizer Chiefs does play well. They play good football. Even though it is disappointing at times that we are drawing games that we're supposed to win. But the important thing is that we see that there's direction. We shouldn't be pressured by other clubs announcing their signings, because Orlando Pirates just signed 2 players today. And the key player that Kaizer Chiefs wanted is now a player for a team called Chicago Fire in the MLS in the United States of America. But for Kaizer Chiefs, I foresee it doing good. I don't know, how do you think about that? But let me know in the comment section. Ngaphambi ukuthi sichithe nesikhathi futhi ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel. So the thing is, Kaizer Chiefs was linked with Tshegofatso Mabasa. And now, as things stand, it was reported by Sokapete ukuthi he's in talks whereby maybe he could go for a loan to Stellenbosch FC. So obviously, as many people wanted to see him donning the gold and black jersey, but I was telling people no, I don't see Space Mabasa playing for Kaizer Chiefs, not because he's a bad player, but because of the number of strikers that we have. So even though Kaizer Chiefs might also agree on a loan for Utashrik Morris, so you see now things are becoming more complicated. So to be honest, I think for Tshegofatso Mabasa now, it's no longer a matter of him going to a club of his choice, but now it's all about him being out of options. Because after everything that happened in front of our eyes, Sibona yonke into, his Instagram post, they're removing Orlando Pirates, many people thought no, it's over and it's done. He was cutting ties with Orlando Pirates. But seeing him training with Orlando Pirates, it simply means Orlando Pirates, they are saying we own you and we will decide where will you go up until your contract ends. But for the now, let's talk is it going to be a good move for him? Because Kaizer Chiefs very clearly, he's not in their plans. For now, Kaizer Chiefs is busy planning for the next transfer window. So maybe that's where we'll say okay, now the strategy of Kaizer Chiefs will come to life. Because we see they are not stressed about making marquee signings now, but they want to see what will fold out in the season when it ends. For every player that they didn't sign, that it was their target, I don't see them feeling chest pains, but they know what they are doing, surely it will come to something big at the end of the season. I don't know, you say what do you think about a decision in Chiefs? But for Tshegofatso Mabasa, I think Stellenbosch stand a chance, because they've released a player Fernando De Jong. Maybe that was part of the deal, you give us De Jong, thina sinika ingwenya uMabasa la. Maybe yinto yamkwatisa ukuthi no, I still have unfinished business with the Orlando Pirates. So now sending swapper with another player. But obviously now Stellenbosch lost players like Abu Mojela, players like Ulisibangu. So they are trying to reinforce, especially going to a coach like Kevin Hunt. Maybe it can benefit him because we know with this style of play Kevin Hunt is percentage and direct football. Lento le positional doesn't favor him. So he's very direct. So for Mabaso, for a player, not Mabasa, for a player that is always on the box, inside the box, waiting for those balls, is gonna benefit a lot. So maybe that's the reason why. But we'll never know. Just to press that like button. So also another player that was linked to the Kaizer Chiefs, but Kaizer Chiefs didn't take it seriously. They can bring him at natural end because they have 3 left wingers, and Daniel Msendamina is another player. When people were hyping him, saying he's the next Kamapiliat, we all thought yeah, maybe we can find a replacement of Ukama, but no, Orlando Pirates think like no, we can use him because most of our players are South African based players of origin. They were born in South Africa, so a foreign quota is nothing of a stress to them. So that's why they've no, let's rope him along. Sign again with Uchabatsan. But the good thing is that Kaizer Chiefs are not in a rush to make ama signings. That's the decision they decided we're gonna take, and we're gonna keep making sure Guti it is what we do. But angazi Guti, is it strange or is something nje ukuthi mele sihlale naye? But I know for a fact ukuthi if things don't go according to plan, surely bazo criticize one. But I don't blame them, to be honest. Daniel Msendami to Orlando Pirates. Tserufato Mabasa. If things go according to plan, he might be a Stellenbosch striker competing with Cupido da. And then let's talk about, I think, indaba nje eqeda kuphuma manje ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs played a friendly behind closed doors at FNB Stadium with Chippa United. I believe ukuthi bekuyinto ukuthi laphana ungayithi vule indaba. Let's keep this between us. But manje ngoba iChippa nayo they know no, we're playing against the Kaizer Chiefs. There's no way ukuthi indaba nje singayibeka, singayikhuluma, singayithivu. Even though they drew 2-2, we don't know who are the scorers. But if they have lost that match, Chippa United, I think ngabe babe discreet about this friendly because Kaizer Chiefs didn't say anything. It was a practice match, keeping fit, making sure good when the league returns, they are fit in order to compete. Hopefully ukuthi this game was something, but but drawile futhi yazi lento lokuya ayidlala engqondweni ukuthi but no, ngathi sizoba nenkinga la. Ngathi sizoba nenkinga enkulu futhi. It's going to be a huge problem because we need wins. Even though noma we friendly, kumele kubonakala ukuthi na le friendly le it was a warm up. But manzo draw 2-2 nakhona we considered 2 goals, we scored 2 goals. Inkinga hopeful ukuthi mayiqala ke futhi iqhubeka i-second half of the season, Kaizer Chiefs will have a different kind of a mindset whereby which now it's all about them winning games. They must instill that winning mentality. I foresee inkinga mina for Ukaze no Penusov because yibo abazoba held accountable. Even though players might be the one that are playing, players that might be the one that are not delivering as expected, but the root of the problem will be pointed to the co-coaches. Hopefully this time around they're gonna use the correct players and the right way that is going to give them goals. Hopefully this time our players up front, they will be efficient enough to convert those chances. Bangabu wasteful, because that thing, it is going to haunt us when the season ends. already we drew 6 games. It could have been how many points? Ngabe sile phezulu esicongweni, but siloku sibhizi manje siyazicomforta ukuthi no, we are playing better than last season. Last season when we played 13 games we were not in that position, of which it is a good thing, but we should be arguing about ukuthi Pirates sishiya how many points, Sundowns izobuya na iclaim i-title yayo. Is Orlando Pirates going to win? Will Kaizer Chiefs disturb those two teams? But manje sekumele sibhekane nani nesikhukhune United esiphezulu kwethu. But asazi, comment lapho, and thank you for making it this far on the video. It means a lot. Till we meet again on the next video. Ikhosi aliphile moya.